Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful OBD2 scanner that every DIYer and professional should know about. The Launch CRP123X Elite. This scan tool packs serious diagnostic power in a compact touchscreen package. So let's get into it. Experience 5x faster diagnostics, 90+ wider car coverage from 1996 to 2025, weekly updates ensuring compatibility. Additionally, 7 reset for daily repairs, upgraded Android 8.1, 32GB ROM, 6100 mAh battery, the scan tool with lifetime updates, 5-year undertaking. No fee is charged. Launch CRP123X offers pro-level features with entry-level ease. Bid farewell to expensive visits to the repair shop for routine maintenance resets like oil changes or brake pad installations. The diagnostic tool effortlessly addresses common automotive issues with one click. Support ETC, oil, SAS, brake, BMS, DPF, ABS bleeding, continually updating to include newer models from 2024 to 2025. The Launch CRP123X car scanner with enhanced compatibility, which is designed for those car owners who want to figure out the cause issue before fixing the car problem. It efficiently reads and clears codes, offers ECU information, and displays live data for ABS, SRS, engine, and transmission modules. Just a few clicks, you can easily understand the vehicle's condition. Launch Diagnostic Scanner offers live data for a range of parameters like oil temperature, pressure, engine speed, and more. 4-in-1 data displayed in color graphs or text, you gain a clear and precise understanding of your vehicle's condition. The Launch scanner supports real-time battery voltage monitoring, automatically analyzing and presenting the information in graphical form. Launch CRP123X supports over 80 global brands. Upgrade with one-touch feature updates and expanding car coverage to ensure compatibility with a diverse range of vehicles, diagnosing vehicles from 1996 to 2025. Auto-auth access allows diagnosing more FCA vehicles. Additionally, it supports diesel, 12-volt only, gasoline, 12-volt passenger cars, pickups, light-duty trucks, SUVs, and minivans, ensuring comprehensive coverage for all your diagnostic needs. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: fast and accurate diagnostics, full system scan, user-friendly touchscreen interface, free lifetime updates via Wi-Fi, compact and portable. And cons: no bidirectional control, actuator tests, limited coverage for some high-end vehicle systems. If you're a DIYer, advanced enthusiast, or entry-level mechanic, the CRP123X Elite gives you professional-level scanning without the pro price tag. It's also perfect as a second tool in a shop environment. Great for quick diagnostics before you pull out the big guns. So there you have it. The Launch CRP123X Elite is reliable, powerful, and easy to use. If you want to check it out, I've dropped a link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more diagnostic tool reviews and car tech content every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.